The humble peanut. I am so glad I'm not allergic to you. But some people are, and that means they can't have some of my favorite treats. That's not fair. We need to do something about that. Paleo Reese's peanut butter cups. I know, you're like, Mikkel, why make it paleo? Well, first, we're cutting out the dairy and the processed sugar, so you already know that's healthier. Also, paleo doesn't allow legumes. Peanuts are technically a legume, and I'm here for the people with the peanut allergies that can't usually have this. I'll show you what we're gonna use to swap that out in a minute, but first let's start with our chocolate sauce. So we are sweetening this with honey, which is my absolute favorite paleo replacement for processed sugar. Honey has a lot of nutrients in it, and it's also just so sweet on the tongue, I feel like you don't need as much to have the same impact. Also, if you get a honey that's made in your same general region, it'll help you with your allergens because it will be pollinated from the plants in your area. I'm gonna finish getting together our chocolate. In the meantime, you check out the ingredients. For our chocolate, we have coconut oil, almond butter, honey, and cacao. For our filling, we have maple syrup, vanilla bean paste, arrowroot starch, and coconut flour. Okay, the sauce is all combined. Now I'm just going to very carefully spoon these into the bottom of each of the liners. You just need enough to really cover the bottom. So now these have to set in the freezer for just a little bit to where they firm up because we don't want the filling to fall through. Luckily, I have great plant friends and they already have my swap for me. Thanks, guys. You're so good at cooking. So now we're gonna get started on our filling, and instead of peanut butter, we are using almond butter, which has basically surpassed peanut butter in popularity. I love almond butter so much. My freshman year of college, my roommates actually had to stop me from buying more than one thing of almond butter a week because I would sit there and like stress eat a whole thing of almond butter. College is stressful, y'all, but it's worth it. Go to college. So we're gonna use almond butter as our nut butter for the filling. Then we have our vanilla bean paste. Your sweetener of choice, I'm using maple syrup. You could use honey agave. A little bit of coconut flour will give it that same consistency that the filling has. And then arrowroot starch. Great. So what we're gonna do is just dollop a little bit of this on top of each of the frozen bases. And it gets messy, not gonna lie here. You could do this with 2 spoons if you care about germs. I don't. Gonna flatten these out because we want to try to conceal this below the chocolate as much as possible. And then we top it with more chocolate, just like the real deal. You can also use the spoon to like kind of hide the almond butter while you're doing this. So there's a lot of different types of almond butters out there. You can get the type where you actually literally grind it in front of you. That's gonna be a little bit coarser. You can get the type that comes in the plastic bottle. That's gonna have a bit more of the same consistency as peanut butter. It's up to you, you do you. This is your dessert. So these have to set in the freezer for about an hour. I'm gonna go do that and you could check out my pretty healthy tip of the day. So we have Maya here from Tastemade, who is my go-to hair model. And today I'm showing her how to make a hair mask out of one ingredient.
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil. Have you ever tried this?
I have not. I cook with it.
You cook with it and now you could put it on your body.
I like it. All over my body?
You could, actually. Could be a lotion too.
Perfect.
So I have the Mikkel's Hair Salon.
It's so pink.
Cape.
I love it.
Pretty and pink.
Perfect. Thank you.
Of course. 1, 2.
Thank you.
You're good to go.
All right.
So go ahead, take down your hair.
I've got a lot. There's a lot.
Very great hair.
Very voluminous.
So all you do is you take a spoonful of this and you warm it up in your hands. You got it?
Got it.
So completely warm it up. And then you start in your ends and work your way up your hair.
Okay.
Make sure to get both sides.
I'm gonna just smell like a coconut goddess.
You are a coconut goddess.
How long do I keep it in?
So you can keep it in for as little or as long as you want. I like to keep it in for about 24 hours.
Okay.
Put it up in a bun, go to bed, put a towel over your pillow because you don't want to ruin your pillow.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Wake up the next morning, shower, wash it real well, and you have beautiful, luscious hair.
So then I just kind of throw it up
Yep.
and leave it up in a bun.
Yeah.
Can I keep the cape?
Sure. I'm not using it again. So you pinky promise to come back and show us the reveal of your hair?
I swear.
She swears. You saw it here. Guys, they're done. Look at them. They're beautiful and they're huge and I'm so excited.
Hello.
Oh, hey girl, look at that hair.
Oh.
How was the hair mask?
It works so well. It's
goes-
so soft.
It goes with your new outfit. I liked that other shirt.
Well, it was yours, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay, I forgive you. You look great.
Thanks.
Are you allergic to peanuts?
I am not allergic.
Well, if you were, you'd be fine.
Oh. What's in them?
They're almond butter paleo peanut butter cups.
Can I
So
try one?
please do.
Okay. That was so good.
Oh, thanks. That's a genuine reaction.
So good.
No acting there.
This is my favorite snack in the world. So, is there honey in there?
Look at that.
All right, I'm taking this to go.
Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.
There you have it, guys. Reese's peanut butter cups without the peanut butter, and they're paleo. I think we really had a breakthrough here. If Maya's happy, I'm happy. See you next time.